What's up, guys? I have been thinking and drinking, well, drinking coffee that is, but thinking that what better way to celebrate the new lithium battery option that we just launched than giving a few of them away. And so we're gonna do a giveaway, not anything real crazy or hard. Basically, we're gonna give away 3 of these lithium batteries, 2 to Diamond C owners, current Diamond C owners, and 1 to a non-Diamond C owner. And so here's how it works. Between today, March the 2nd, and then next Thursday night, March the 12th, you have the opportunity to win one of these batteries by posting photos or a video of your rig working. You could be hot shot, you could be excavation, landscape, general construction, whatever. Post those videos or that photo of you working, and then tag Diamond C, and also hashtag DC Lithium. That's all you got to do. That'll get you entered, but make sure the pictures in the video are cool, because we're just going to go through and look through all of them and see what's cool. And again, we're going to give away 2 chances to current Diamond C trailer owners, so dump trailer, gooseneck, whatever, and then 1 to a non-Diamond C owner. We want to show you guys some love too. So anyways, ends March the 12th. We will announce the winners on March 13th. We'll send you your new lithium battery out right after that. Good luck and get entered.